Hello students, today we are going to start standard 5th maths chapter number 4 multiplication and division. Problem set 14, question number 1 multiply. Now this number is given to you 327 multiplied by 92. I will solve this number in vertical manner. So here 9 sevens are 14, 1 carry 4 down, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5, 2 threes are 6. Now I will put cross here and I will take the another number, that is 9. 9 sevens are, that will give you 63. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 6, that will give you 24. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2, 29, plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry 0 down, 1 plus 9, 10, 1 carry 0 down, 1 plus 2, 3. Like this you will get the answer. Similarly, you have to solve the rest sum. Students, I will share this problem set 15 in PDF. So, see here question number 2. As part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? That means you have to find the total number of bags was made. Okay, so they have started a campaign of Avoid Plastic. So in that 745 students has participated. So each student has made 25 paper bags. So they want to find the total number of paper bags. So students, first let me tell you that first you have to read question very carefully, because in this question you will get the answer that whether you have to multiply or you have to divide that. So in this we are know that we have to multiply. So I have written here 745 number of students and 25 is bags made by each. Now I will multiply this and I will get answer, that is 18,625 bags made. Like this we will solve the question number 3. In a plantation, saplings of 215 medicinal trees have been planted in each of 132 rows of trees. How many sapling was there in the plantation together? That means there are 215 medicinal trees and they have planted in each row 132 rows of trees. So what they are saying, how many saplings are there in plantation altogether? Then that means you have to see how many they have planted altogether. So what you will do, you will multiply this. 215 sapling in each row and 132 number of rows. 2 5s are 10. Like this we will multiply and see our answer will be 28,380. So that means therefore you will write all together there is 28,380 sapling. Now we will see question number 4. One computer cost 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computer cost? That means one computer is cost of 27,540 rupees. Now how much will 18 computer cost? That means 18 computer will how much cost? So I will multiply and see the answer, that is 27,540, that is cost of one computer, and 18, that is number of computer. I will multiply and see, my answer will be 4,95,720 rupees cost of 18 computers. Now see question number 5, that is under the Inspire Awards schemes, 5,000 rupees per students were granted for the purchases of science project material. If 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the schemes, find the total amount granted to that taluka. In this Inspire Award. Inspire Award. In this, they have taken from the students 5,000 rupees for giving science project material. And students, here 145 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme. Find the total amount granted to that taluka. We have to find that. So 5,000 granted per students. 154 number of students. Here I will multiply and see my answer will be 7,70,000 granted totally. Similarly, we will see question number 6. If a certain two-wheeler cost 53,670 rupees, how much will 65 such two-wheeler cost? That means the two-wheeler cost rupees this much, and you have to see that 35 two-wheeler will cost how much. So see here students, your cost of one two-wheeler is 53,760 and the number of two-wheeler was 35s. Okay, 35. Now you have to multiply and see the answer. That will give you 18,81,600 is the total cost of 35 two-wheelers. Now similarly we will see question number 7. 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have? That means 1 hour contain how much second? 3,600 seconds. And they are saying that how many seconds do 365 hours have? So you will multiply and see the students, that is 3,600 multiplied by 365. So seconds of 1 hour and number of hours. So answer will be 13,14,000 second of 365 hours. Question number 18. Frame a multiplication word problem with the number 5,473 and 627 and solve it. Now they are saying that you have to multiply this word problem and solve it. So first you have to frame the sentence. They didn't frame the sentence, so you have to frame it. So I have written here the cost of one mobile. You can write cooler also. So I have written here one mobile is rupees 5,473. What is the cost of such 627 mobiles? So we will multiply and see the answer. The cost of one mobile is this much. The number of mobile is this. So we will multiply and see the answer. That answer will be 84,31,571 cost for 627 mobiles. Now see question number 9. Find the product of the biggest 3-digit numbers and the biggest 4-digit number. That means you have to see the 3-digit number also and 4-digit number biggest. So I have taken 999 4-digit number and 999 3-digit number. I will multiply this and we have seen the answer is 99,89,001. Question number 10. One traveler incur a cost of 7,650 rupees for a certain journey. What will be the cost for 26 such travelers? That means traveler incur a cost of 7,650. That means one traveler, that means you can imagine that bus or cab also. So they have taken 7,650 for certain journey. What will be the cost of 26 such travelers? One traveler का इतना rupees they are charging, and they told that the cost of 26 such travelers will be what? So I will multiply and see that the cost of one traveler is this much and the number of traveler is 26. So I have multiplied and see the answer. My answer is 1,98,900 cost of 26 travelers. Similarly, we will see question number practice set 15. I will show you students in the next video. So thank you students.